How's it going, YouTube? I got the Kizer Kobold 2 today. Sebastian Irwin design. Here it is. Beautiful micarta. Front flipper. Jimping all the way around. Also reverse flick it. Got a 3.66 inch 154 cm blade, stone washed, sheep's foot, and partial flat grind. It's got a unique cutout right here. This is the second time they made the Kobold. They got an all titanium one that's a few years old. Blade stock on this guy is 2.8 millimeters and 0.113 inches. Measures in at 8.19 inches. So it's a bigger Kizer than normal. Let's check it out against a few others. Petrified Fish Terra. Travissa Door. About the same as both of these. Might be a little smaller than the Terra. Petrified Fish Scholar. And the Spyderco PM2. Just slightly smaller than the Spyderco, but right there in the same area. You got a nice cutout for the lock bar. Easy access. Straight drop. Gotta be careful to cut your finger off. And this is one of the biggest front flippers I've seen. I wouldn't say it's optimal to have a front flipper this size, but it does work good, so I can't complain. Handle thickness is 0.59 inches. 1.35 inches from here to here. And 4.53 inches for the handle length. Barely fits in the camera range. Got a nice lanyard pin if you're going to do a lanyard. I like it done this way. A nice matching backspacer with jimping. Pocket clip is non-reversible, but it is stone wash. It matches. 4.05 inches. And it's not contoured, but in the same sense it kind of is, because it's got these cutouts. So it's pretty comfortable for the most part. Of course, it's on ball bearings like all other Kizers lately. In the hand, it feels pretty good. I do feel the pocket clip a bit. Probably be a good candidate to swap over to the titanium ones. My few dislikes on this knife are about the same as all the other Kizers. The big logo, T6 screws, and the pocket clip's non-reversible. That doesn't bother me, but it would bother some people. And it'd been nice if it was inset liners, but that's just nitpicking. It's a very unique knife. I really like it. I don't think I've seen another Kizer knife designed by Sebastian. That's his logo. So yeah, that's about all I got for this knife. Subscribe if you haven't. See you in the next one.